वेलकम बैक टू वीकेंड आउट। माय नेम इज गौरव। नाम तो सुना होगा। अब ब्रेक पर जाने से पहले मैंने आपसे कहा था कि मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा एक बुके। अब ये बुके सूंघने वाला बुके नहीं है, फूलों वाला बुके नहीं है। दिस इज अ बुके विद अ डिफरेंस। दिस इज अ चॉकलेट बुके। ये वो बुके है जिसे देख के आपको भूख लग सकती है।
Timeless Expressions is all about expressing yourself in a sweet way for every occasion. We do chocolate bouquets, and these are all kinds of chocolates. Especially because we're in a market like Dubai where all of us believe in branded stuff. I very rarely use homemade chocolates. So from the market, I can use we use Pachi to Ferrero Rochers to Hershey's to Tobler to Bounty, any chocolate, and we can make it beautiful with a bouquet and a personalized touch at Timeless Expressions.
At Timeless Expressions, chocolate and cookie bouquets are a charming and unique way of sending that special someone a gift they will long remember.
Timeless Expressions started 4 years back. I'm actually a qualified interior designer, but after my baby, I took a sabbatical and decided, actually not decided, it just happened. Bought a few chocolates, had to go for a party, so just wanted to make it look more beautiful. So with some creativity, made a bouquet out of those chocolates and took it, and I guess everyone at the party appreciated it.
Your gifts, whatever the occasion, will create a long-lasting impression for your recipient with its exquisite presentation.
You know, the most commonly heard line is that I want to do something different, something out of the box. तो अगर आप भी यही चीजें सोचते हैं, then this might be a great gifting idea.
Since I got such an overwhelming response from people, loved ones, I slowly started getting into it, and there were people who approached me who didn't know me, word of mouth, started participating in exhibitions, and yes, it's grown over the years. A basic bouquet actually is very simple. You can use any box. If you quickly want to go out to someone's house and you don't have anything much, if you have like a cardboard box or a fancy box or a bucket, you can just use it. You can put a nice support foam down, dress it up with net or cellophane paper, and then decide the chocolate what you need to put. You can use assorted chocolates if you have at home, or you pick up a ready packet of any branded chocolates that you would want, and we insert it with toothpicks, and you can going with the color theme of the box, we can dress it up with a few or like if I have an orange and a silver box, I would dress it up with the orange flowers, wrap up a candle in a gold net, insert that, and here we are with a beautiful bouquet.